Hi everybody, I want to show you how to add in a column into Google Sheets and also how to total up your price very easily. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to come over here, I'm going to highlight this column, and if I want to add a column I might move this over because I already have something in there. And there we go, I have a fresh blank column. If I want to add a place to do all the totals of my prices, I can just simply highlight that column and I'm going to say sum. Okay? If you need to pause the video, feel free. Once I put in sum, I'm telling it to sum up everything that is in this column. For instance, if this has has 1, then you'll notice that the 0 down there changes to a 1. If I put in 3 or 4, it's going to add it as it moves along. This will prevent you from having to get a calculator and add up all of those prices. I hope this has been a very helpful tip for you. Thank you. Have a lovely day.